Hi guys, welcome back for another Masters of the Universe review, and this time we'll be in Mode Origins Trapjaw. Alright, as you can see, this is the modern, basically the new translation of the original line. That's why it's called Origins, and this is the exact replication from the original line, and translates it into this figure with articulations and all the extra joints. Right, as you do see here, Trapjaw is Skeletor's minion. Alright, he has black color schemes, green, pink, and a bit of gray and black. Right, this is the this color scheme is a bit more brighter than the original figures. Okay, more glitzy colors, like more bright. It jumps straight up. Okay, okay. As you can see, this is Trapjaw. He is the Wave 2 release in the Origins line, and I've just managed to get him recently at a more in a more affordable price. Okay, all right. And this is not his basically this is a nice, very nice and rare figure. Everybody wants him. It's right now very much expensive. If you to get him in the second, the what do you call it, the not from the retail release, you get him a bit more expensive. Okay, so he retails about 60 ringgit in Malaysia. However, its price has been increased dramatically from 50 to about 200 over ringgit. Okay, so it's best that you get him right off the bat from Mattel when they release it. Alright, enough talking, and here's a closer look at Trapjaw's face. Alright, you can see, yep, it has a zip line, a hole, usually in the original line. You can put a string which zips down from the mountain down to basically go ahead and capture or surprises his victims. Alright, right. If you do see his eyes, it's a bit of a reversal from the original line. Okay, basically the eye, it's the background is a bit yellow and the eyes black. Alright, so this is a bit of a reverse color. It translates very well for the Origins figure. His jaws just come up and down. His head, you can turn it, but it requires a bit of force. It's a bit tight. Okay, so it's not that tight in the original line. So that's, I think, one of the things that is done well for this figure. Alright, and if you do look at Trapjaw, you can see that he has a hand with his, you can't basically take his head out, his hands out, his waist out, his legs, and interchange it for the other figures. Okay, but I'm not going to do that here. However, you can, it's all on the joint, on his shoulder, his hands. You can basically bend on the elbow, you can swivel it. Okay, and for the arm as well, the hands as well, you can basically turn it left and right. You can rotate it, swivel it as well. He has also a articulation on the his waist. Okay, you can swivel it there. Okay, for his legs, if you do see, it's all on the ball joint. Okay, his knee, you can also bend it right here. You can also swivel it as well. And for his boots, okay, it's more like it's a many faces design. you can't rock it because there is something hindering the boot section right here, but you can move it ever so slightly. Alright, and he comes with his weapons. This is his evil belt where you can hook up all his extra weapons for his hand weapons. You can also take it out. I'll go a bit in depth about the weapons later. Just take it out. Alright, and here's the belt, and it's a back of trapjaw. Nicely done. And one thing nice about this trapjaw from the Origins line is that it's you can rotate the whole arm. You can basically swivel, bend it in the middle of the elbow, which you can't do in the original figure. Let's take this out first, and you can swivel it up. Okay, all right. And this belt is removable by just unhinging this part. Okay, alright, so you can see here's the Mattel logo. Okay, and here's the foot of trapjaw, which you can buy the stands you can put it on. Alright, for his weapons, he has 3 weapons which comes. The first one is the gun, which is made out of soft plastic. Okay, it's nicely done. Okay, nice black color. He comes with a clamp on his hands, and also a hook right here, which is also made of soft plastic. You can basically bring the trapjaw here and put it on his arm. It's interchangeable. Alright, and when you do not want it anymore, you can store the weapons on his belt by just coming up here and putting this in. The same goes for the other sides as well. Right here. Alright, so I would say that this figure has about a score of 1 to 10. I'll give it about 8.5. So this is a very nice figure. So it's in demand right up in the alley of basically Tila and also Man-at-Arms. They are very hard to get. Alright, so this is just a nice review. I would say that all collectors should have him in his collection. So this is basically the trapjaw review. So if you like the review, please click downwards to subscribe and click on the bell icon. It will help me tremendously as a reviewer. Alright, this is Coolball 2008 signing off.